their positions. From treetops to the perimeter fence surrounding the holding point. Anyone coming close to this fence is bound to be repulsed.
Kama si mabunduki serikali yamepeana katika Samburu. Hakuna Samburu saa hii ina move. Samburu angekuwa amekusha na hata utaona hii ng'ombe na kupa.
This shed is strictly restricted to warriors and the home guards. Women, children and goats spend the night in 6 camps which are kilometers away from the men in a bid to save them from the vagaries of cattle rustling as their men keep vigil.
Emewasha manyumba, kila mtu nalala tu kama tu swara.